2007 Chevy Avalanche LTZ 4x4, 86,000 miles. Just an amazing truck, every possible option. Navigation, backup camera, DVD, parking sensors, dual exhaust, heated seats, leather. This truck is loaded and in remarkable condition. Tow package, cover still intact, bed not all scratched up. You can hear it running. Tires are in decent condition. Running boards. Sunroof, moonroof. Integrated turn signals, power folding mirrors. It has every possible option, and it is a four-wheel drive. Very hard to find. Heated seats. Four-wheel drive. DVD. $86,000 miles. Navigation. Backup camera. No rips on the leather. Power seats. No stains on the carpeting. Like I said, in remarkable condition. (2007) Chevy Avalanche 4x4 Z71, every option, 86,000 original miles, in wonderful condition.